What's up YouTube, welcome to our video. In this video we'll learn how we can draw use case diagram in Microsoft Visio. So we should choose a blank drawing, but I'm choosing basic diagram just to show you that it has these basic shapes of rectangle, circle and these arrows if you need any. So we won't be needing this in our tutorial. We'll go to more shapes, software in database, software, and here UML use case. Now create a subsystem and its name is bank ATM machine. Now first of all, let's place the actors. So there is an actor which is the customer. There is another actor which comes later, which is the technician, and uh, another character which is the bank. Now for our use cases, these circles, double click it and write the use case. So check balance. Now copy and paste it, double click, deposit funds. So these are the four use cases and two use cases for maintenance and repair. So they are both concerned with the technician. We can change color of all these boxes to this. Now the bank is supposed to be connected with all of these use cases. So we will use this association and check balance, funds, withdraw, and we can place the bank further away. In case you want to change the direction of the arrow, as this arrow is crossing the deposit fund, I don't want that. You can do this, the right angle connector, or you can do this, so the curved connector. Now this looks good. You can do it with all of these connections. Now for the customer. Customer is associated with these four use cases. Again, if you want to curve those arrows, click the arrow, right click, and you can select between these three. The technician is connected with these two use cases. So this is how the ATM diagram looks. This looks a little weird. I should change it to right angle. I should change it back to the straight connector. Now we can move the entire diagram. Now it looks very good. So this is our final diagram. Now it's time to export this. So click File, Save As, Desktop. If we save it right away, it will save the project of our drawing. But if we want to export an image, we have to go here, Portable Network Graphics, which means PNG, and save it. Now it's asking if the background should be transparent or not. Let's try the transparent color as well as the non-transparent color. So tick off the transparent color and then let's change the background. Now save as. So Here is the transparent one. Here is the diagram without background, and here is the diagram with the background. So this is all for the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.